Effect of budget Defict on private investment in East African community for the period 1981 to 2015, a panel data analysis. This article is written by two authors. First author Naftali Jaisormos. Last author Irene Jepchumbakano. Contribution and originality of the study is that, this study contributes in the existing literature in the field of public finance. This study uses new panel estimation methodology. This study originates new formula of controlling budget deficit. This study is one of very few studies which have used panel data. The paper contributes the first logical analysis that increasing budget deficit discourages investment. The paper's primary contribution is finding that fiscal deficit negates investment. This study documents controlling budget deficit. Over the period of 34 years, between 1981 and 2015, the East African community economies have witnessed inconsistent and downward trend on the level of private investments as percentage of GDP. Several studies have been done regarding the determinants of private investment at country level, while others have focused on budget, fiscal deficit, regional integration and economic growth, but the findings are inconsistent. However, from the empirical literature review, most of the studies ignore effect of budget deficit on private investment. It is against this background that this study was carried out to investigate the effect of budget deficit on private investment in using panel data over the period 1981 to 2015. The study adopted the modified flexible accelerator model. Using Levin et al. 2002, to test the unit root, the study found the variable to be non-stationary at level. Co-integration test error correction model were carried to analyze the long-term and short-term dynamic of the selected macroeconomic variables on budget deficit account. The study results shows that fiscal deficit had a negative effect on private investment in the region. Debt reduction and government expenditure scaling down strategies should also be adopted in the region so as to improve the fiscal deficit, hence boosting private investment and faster real GDP growth in the long run. Thanks for watching this abstract video of International Journal of Business, Economics and Management Volume 4 Issue Number 2.